Today we're shopping at a store not too far from where we're staying.
And it offers farm-to-table produce. Kind of excited about this.
It keeps bringing me joy.
Oh, thank you, my darling.
You're welcome.
Wow, feel that heat. Oh my gosh. Welcome to Clifton Market in the heart of Holetown, Barbados, where farm-to-table living meets gourmet delight. This isn't your average grocery stop. It's a culinary experience rooted in local pride and premium quality. So come along, shop with us.
What makes it stand out? It's more than just artisan cheeses and grass-fed meats and fine wines. Clifton Market is built on a philosophy supporting local farmers, clean ingredients and healthy living. It's where Barbadian heritage meets modern taste.
And it all began at Clifton Plantation in St. Thomas, known locally as The Farm. This 246-acre estate launched Clifton Meats back in 2016. Their goal? Deliver meats with no preservative, no additives, just pure pasture-raised goodness.
The farm still operates today, tucked away in the rolling hills of Barbados. It's the heart of this whole operation. From there, Clifton expanded to bring its mission of wellness and quality to even more people, with beautifully curated markets, one in Worthing, and this one right here in Lime Grove, Holetown.
The Holetown location is a haven for foodies, it's French vanilla chai, expats, and anyone who loves good food with a conscience. The name Cane Dogs is known for stray dogs in Barbados. They are absolutely friendly dogs, but they have adapted that name Cane Dogs, and 10% of all proceeds goes to the animal welfare causes. Whether you're grabbing a quick cut of grass-fed steak or sipping a turmeric tonic, it's easy to feel the care in every detail.
And if you're visiting Barbados, trust us, Clifton Market is the perfect place to taste the island's fresh side in style. From field to fork, it's all about flavour, sustainability, and a little Bajan love.
Savor the spirit of Barbados, one bite at a time. Mozzarella. That's got 36% butter fat, that has 40. So you want the more fat.
Yeah.
Red milk product.
Allulose. Oh my gosh, get out of here. Allulose. That's a good one. But then you can understand why many people are not having this, because when you look,
So this is your pure white sugar, 900 grams.
900 grams, right?
$5.99.
Then you got 340 grams for $38.99.
This is why people are still buying white sugar that's not good for you.
And then, if you even want to try to get to 800 grams, which is the closest weight to the 900 gram. Look at this.
Yes, the monk fruit sweetener.
$5.99. $63.99.
Slight difference in price.
And this one is still 100 grams less.
But the thing is, you need a lot less of this sweetener
Yes.
to give you the equivalent sweetness.
They don't understand. Well, it's not sugar. It's so difficult to find zero sugar here. Very, very difficult.
Creation is coming alive. When I'm on vacay mode, be wondering every night. Keep my mind from work. Need to go chill by a fire. Drink some martini and talk about life. Ooh, doing my best to survive. But I need more. Mommy, I wish I could fly. Back and beg and go. I really, really don't mind. Living right now, so about to get on that plane soon. Don't care if it's to Mumbai or Cancun. As long as I'm high as a kite, yeah, I'll be good. One life, I'm in love with it all. Been hustling around for a while. Can't change what's in my mind, I'm on fire. One life, I'll be fine. I like it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm running away. I like it, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Biscoff.
I like it.
Ladies' fingers. $11.99. Oh my gosh, crisp breads. $15.99.
Baker's Joy.
Oh my, beef tallow. Beef tallow. $51.99. I make mine at home. I render my own at home. And I could pay what? £2 to get this quantity. It probably would cost me £6. This is $51.
Been hustling around for a while.
$14.99.
What's in my mind, I'm on fire.
Baker's.
One life, I'll be fine.
Beige.
I like it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm running away, yeah, yeah.
I could make my own.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I like it, yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm running.
Okay, this sounds good. It hasn't got any sugar. Awesome. 57. Oh yeah.
Add zest to chicken,
Yeah.
steak and pork.
Lime forward. Lime. Bitch and lime.
Sparkling rum punch.
I've never had a sparkling rum punch before.
No.
And at Clifton Market, every dollar you spend earns you 2 points with the Clifton Rewards loyalty program. And on Mondays and Tuesdays, double points. So, turn your grocery shopping into serious savings. Join online or in store and validate your membership with a quick fingerprint scan. Oh yeah, I want you to try that last time.
Barbados too.
Yeah.
Oh, we got a Barbados sugarcane vodka as well.
What? A sugar who?
Sugarcane vodka.
Oh, double distilled. That Perkins and Sons. 2023 Merlot.
And don't forget to check out our We Gather in Barbados series for more local finds and hidden gems.
Yeah, that's it. FBI.
That's joy.
with Mark.